As I said in the other video, I'm just going to show you the solution now. Tomorrow I will return to this and I will give a detailed explanation as I go through. Right now I'm just going to reveal the final answer. And what I am asking you to please not do is um, what you should please not do is just copy down what I wrote. What you should do is look at my explanation, see how it's supposed to look, and then write the original problem and solve it without looking at the video. And then and only then should you compare your answer to what I had and see if yours matches up. So you can take a look at this first, and let me put a little dividing line here just because I think it'll be helpful visually for you. But don't just copy down the answers. That's not going to help you learn it. And fact is, you're going to struggle when it comes time to do this on your own if you're just copying down the answers and don't know how to do it yourself. So I'll post a more detailed video tomorrow.